Hey y'all, what's up? Today I'm back with another video. Here I have how to pronounce it right here.
Name pronunciation. Kaonashi.
Kaonashi. I Hate the Sound of Car Keys official music video is what we're going to be reacting to today. Someone commented that I should react to this on my Pop Girly Reacts to Peeling Flesh video, and I did want to clear some things up. I did not have a lot of positive things to say about that video. I felt, but I think I just had a headache that day, to be honest. I did say they made my head hurt, but honestly, I loved it overall. I didn't really make that clear, but I really did like it. So, with that being said, let's move on and start the reaction to Kaonashi, I Hate the Sound of Car Keys. I'll make this big screen and we'll start reacting. So far, I love the intro. The intro is so, catching. Like, what's the word I'm looking for? Not catching, maybe, perhaps, it draws me in, because it's punchy, I guess? Let's see. I love that drum, just ba 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 ba. Also, the vocals are definitely serving. I like how they're all... I like the movements that are not synchronized. They're all moving in their own kind of like... Pardon me while I toddler cough all over. But anyway... What was I saying? I like the way that they're moving around with the music. Oh. Yeah, I like how the sounds are dropping completely and then coming back in with that heaviness. It's kind of... Yeah, I like that. Oh shit, they changed it up. I really like the way they keep changing up the guitar. Like it just took a different turn here and I really appreciate that. I will say sometimes lyrics are difficult for me to understand. However, I do pick up on some of them and I like what I hear. I can kind of sort of get the gist of it, even if I can't understand all of it. I like the lyrics so far, though. I like the visuals, too. Like, this specific screen here is cool. I like what they're wearing. They all look really cool, to be honest. Like, yeah. Oh! They're like, they keep panning to like the people individually and then panning back out to all of them together, which is a really neat touch. Okay. I like this part. Like that. That is a nice riff, and it makes my body almost tingle.
I don't believe in my dad for the same exact reason. Every man in my life commits some sort of treason, and it puts the blame at me as if I'm the reason.
I think the person is saying, I don't believe in my dad, which I love that. That's kind of funny, and not funny. It's funny to me, like in my own life, but like it's not funny in general, but I don't mean that in any type of way, but I think y'all get what I mean. I am an overthinker, so that will reflect in the way that I speak sometimes. I'm probably not going to edit it out, though. Wrapping the cord around the wrist is metal. I was given a broken compass. Did you hear that? I was given a broken compass. That just changed my life. That was amazing. These vocals are really giving, like I said before. I love the quality of them. They're just, yeah. Let me continue. That's it. We're done. Okay, that was Kaonashi. Wait, let me see if I...
Name pronunciation. Kaonashi.
Kaonashi. I could be wrong. It could be something else, but that's just what I found on YouTube for how to pronounce it. Yeah, that was Pop Girly reacts to Kaonashi. I hate the sound of car keys. Thanks for recommending it to me. Recommend some more down in the comments of this video. Thanks for watching, y'all.